Hello, in this video we'll be explaining the counter sale module. This module is designed for situations where you want to complete a quick transaction without saving customer or vehicle details in the system. It allows you to simply add an item to that cart and proceed directly to checkout, making the process fast and convenient for working customers or quick part sales. To open a cart, go to the counter sales from the dashboard and select Open New Cart. From here, you can choose whether the item you are adding as a part or as a service. After selecting the desired part or service, you also have the option to select the customer if needed, by simply clicking on Select Customer, where you can either choose an existing customer from the list or add a new customers, and you have to fill more data related to that customer. You can update price or quantity of any item in the cart by simply clicking on it. Here you can adjust the values as needed and even apply discounts specifically to that item. You can apply discounts from this section either as a percentage or as a fixed value depending on your preferences. If you wish to cancel the transaction and clear the cart, you can do so by clicking the button located on the top right corner and selecting the option to empty the cart. Finally, you can issue the invoice and register the payment to complete the transaction. To view all counter sale invoices, go to the invoices module and use the filter to select counter sales. Here you can see all the invoices including paid, unpaid and partially paid transactions. And you can also download the report by clicking on download, and Excel file will be generated. You can then open the file to view the complete report with all details. That's it for this short video. We'll be covering a few more of our modules in the upcoming videos so you can get a better understanding of our system. Looking forward to connecting with you all. Until next time, ciao.